to my channel. I'm Suzie the Phoenix. We are learning 20 Chinese phrases today. Let's begin. 你好吗? 你 is you. 好 is good. 你好 hello. 吗 is a question ending. If you put 吗 at the end of a statement, it turns into a question. 你好吗? 我很好. 我 is I. 很 is very, but here is structural goes with adjective, which is 好. 我很好. 我叫 Suzie. 我 is I. 叫 to be called. So I'm called Suzie. Implied, my name is Suzie. 我叫 Suzie. 他叫 Sam. 他 is he. He's called Sam. 他叫 Sam. 太好了. 太 and 了 is a structure usually is used to emphasize on an adjective. Here is 好. 太好了. 太忙了. 忙 is busy. 太忙了. 太累了. 累 is tired. 太累了. 太好吃了. 好 is good. 吃 is eat. 好吃 good to eat. So it's delicious. 吃 we have a 口 radical is mouth. So eat with 口. 好吃 delicious. 太好吃了. 没问题. 没 is not. 问题 is question or questions or problem or problems. In Chinese, singular and plural doesn't change in Chinese words. 没问题. 多喝水. 多 is more. 喝 is to drink. Again, got 口. Okay, a mouth. Drink. 喝 水 water. So in Chinese, when you do more, in English, Chinese have to say more do. So 多喝水. 我爱你. 爱 to love. 我爱你. 请进. 请 please. 进 in. 请进. 下雨了. 下 is down. 雨 is rain with the raindrops. 下雨了. Down came the rain. Implied is raining. 走开. 走 to walk. 开 to leave. 走开. 我今天很忙. 今天 today. 很忙 is busy. So time usually goes after the subject or before the subject. Okay, 我今天很忙. If we change 我 into a he is busy today. 他今天很忙. The rest of that same, just subject changes. 我今天很忙. 我不吃肉. 不 is not or no. 吃 to eat. 肉 is meat. Olden times usually put meat hung on the roof to dry or to be cured. Okay? 我不吃肉. If we change 我 to he doesn't eat meat, just changed 我 to 他不吃肉 or she doesn't eat meat, 她不吃肉. So just change the subject. Rest of the sentence doesn't change. 你怎么样？怎么样 is a question asking how is something. Okay? 你怎么样？我头疼。头 head 疼 hurt or headache. 我头疼。我喜欢看书。喜欢 to like. 看 to see or to read here. 书 is book or books doesn't change. 看书 to read. 我喜欢看书 Same applies if it says he likes reading. Just change 我 to he. 他喜欢看书。我也喜欢。也 also. So that sentence we can change into he likes it also. So be changed into 他也喜欢。Rest of the sentence stay the same. Let's see what we've done today. We've tried to pronounce some Chinese pronunciations. I've learned pronouns. 我 is I. 你 is you. 他 is he. 她 is she. 吃 to eat. 喝 to drink. 喜欢 to like. 看 to see, to read. 没 is not. 不 is no or not. And third person structures, they just change the subject, the rest of the sentence stays the same. 今天 is a time, goes before the sentence or after subject. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and press the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, I will happily answer them in the comment below. See you next time.